Hey guys, it's Mrs. Saseta. I'm here to show you how to complete your work if you missed 9/22, September 22nd. That's a Tuesday. So if you missed garden class on Tuesday, this is what you need to do. You click on the dated assignment 9/22. There is a couple attachments here. The first attachment is an image. I'd like you to take a look at this image. This is our garden. I want you to notice there's grass in our garden bed. So the question I have for you guys is, how can we get this grass out of our garden bed? So now we know what our problem is. We have grass in our garden bed. Your job is to click on this link, 4 ways to remove grass from your garden. And so you'll read this article. It tells you the 4 ways that we can remove the grass. So you'll read over this. Once you're done reading, you can exit out of that or keep it open for your reference. And then you go to our Google Doc. It will have your name on there. And if you click on the Google Doc, these are summary frames. You've done these with me before. So I already knew that blank. So I already knew that grass could be a problem in the garden. Period. I learned some new information about how to remove grass. Okay, so you're going to remove these blanks and then fill in the blanks. And then once you're done, you'll have a full summary about the 4 ways to remove grass from a garden. Once you're done with this, you can exit out. It will save automatically. And then you view assignment and then turn it in. If you are an auditory learner, you want to hear the reading, I attached this reading right here, reading oral admin, and it's me reading the entire article to you. And that's an option, okay? If you have any questions or you're confused, then comment on this assignment.